Suppose the resistance, or you can say resistor R1, R2 and R3 have the value of 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 30 ohm. This is my resistance R1, R2 and R3. Okay, they give the value R1, R2 and R3. So R1 is 5 ohm, R2 is 10 ohm and R3 is 30 ohm respectively, which have been connected to the battery for 12 volt. This is my battery. What is the voltage of my battery? Is 12 volt. Calculate the current through each resistor. I have to find the current for each resistor. For resistor R1, what is my current? I1. For resistor R2, what is my current? I2. And for resistor R3, what is my current? R3. So I will write here I1, I2, I3 is equal to how much? Then after, total current in the circuit. After finding this I1, I2, I3, I have to find I total. Clear? Then total circuit resistance, I have to find the total resistance, that is R total. Let me explain you first of all circuit. Here I have 12 volt battery which is connected to 3 resistors. Now see, all the 3 resistors are connected in parallel. Okay, they have their own wire. See, this R1 resistor have their own wire, R2 have their own wire and R3 also have their own wire, and they are connected at the common point over here. Clear? Here also common point. So they 3 resistor have their different wire. So मैं ऐसे बोल सकता हूँ ये पैरेलल सर्किट है. आपको क्लियरली समझ में आ जाए उसके लिए मैं बता रहा हूँ. First of all, we will find the total resistance. So I have the formula for total resistance. If my resistance is connected in parallel, so 1 upon R total is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3, because I have 3 resistance over here. So 1 upon R total is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 and plus 1 upon R3. Clear? Now placing the value of each resistance, 1 upon R1 that means 5 ohm plus 1 upon R2 that means 10 ohm plus 1 upon R3 that means 30 ohm. Now taking the LCM of 5, 10 and 30, that is LCM is 30. Okay, if I multiply 30 over here, so 5 6 are 30 plus if I am multiplying 30 over here upon 10 के ऊपर मैं अगर मल्टीप्लाई करता हूँ 30, तो 10 से 30 डिवाइड हो जाएगा. हाँ, तो 10 3 are 30 प्लस यहाँ पे अगर मैं 30 रखता हूँ तो I will get 1. So 6 plus 3 that means 9, 9 plus 1 that means 10. Okay, divided by 30. So this is my 1 upon R total, making it reciprocal. Reciprocal कर दूंगा मैं इसको. That means on both the side, reciprocaling on both the side, that means R total is equal to 30 by 10. Clear? 10 3s are. So R total is equal to 3 ohm. देखो, so from this we can get to know the total resistance of this circuit is 3 ohm. Clear? Now coming on the finding the value of I. So one by one we will do it here. As we know that to find the value of I, we have the formula of Ohm's law, that is V is equal to IR. Okay, we have the formula V is equal to IR. Okay, to finding the value of I1, we have the voltage in parallel circuit. The total voltage will remain constant. So I will not do anything with the voltage. Current will be changed, that means I1, and the resistance are changed, that is R1. So I have to find the current. So I1 is equal to V by R1. अब मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, मेरे पास फॉर्मूला है V is equal to IR. उसको मैं I को मैं सब्जेक्ट करूंगा यहाँ पे, R नीचे आ जाएगा डिवाइड में. ठीक है, तो V by R हो गया, ये V by R हो गया. V कांस्टेंट है R1 और I1. सिमिलरली I2 is equal to V by R2 and I3 is equal to V by R3. Clear students? Now solving one by one. value of V is 12, value of R1 that is 5 ohm. यहाँ पे similarly value of V is 12 and value of R2 is 10 ohm. Similarly over here value of V is 12 and value of R3 is 30. क्लियर? ओके, तो मुझे वैल्यू क्या मिलेगी? 2.4, ठीक है, 2.4 एम्पियर, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सोल्व करने की जगह नहीं है और ये पहले से आपको आता है डिवाइड करना, तो ठीक है, तो डायरेक्टली आंसर लिख देता हूँ। 12 डिवाइड बाय 5 करना है तो 2.4 आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा। देन आफ्टर I2 विल बी 1.2 एम्पियर, ठीक है, and I3 is equal to I will get 0.4 ampere. So I total, that means I1 plus I2 plus I3, I1 plus I2 plus I3 टोटल कब मिलेगा? अलग अलग चीज को प्लस करूंगा तब मुझे टोटल मिलेगा। So I total is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Now placing the value of I1, that is 2.4, 1.2 and 0.4. Okay, so I will get the value of current, that is 4 ampere. मुझे करंट की वैल्यू क्या मिलेगी? I total is equal to 4 ampere. This is my answer.